Hey, in front of me is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font of this device. You need to begin by opening device's settings. In them, scroll down and choose Display and Brightness. Now you need to click on Text Size over here and swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview above. Then when you're ready, select the back button at the top left corner. And as you can see, after that, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!